All right, guys, so I put some way overrated batteries. They're not very good in there, and this is out of that Honda Accord that we had. And look at these battery ends. I had to put some driver screws in some of them to hold it. And this is out of my Avalanche. I just charged it, and I didn't put any of the holders back in there, so we're going to see if it starts. The batteries that were in it were dead, so I charged this one up. And the grid heater is going to take so much power, I don't think it's going to work, but let's try it here. Let's see if she'll even do anything. Oh, she's dinging. That's a good sign, I think. Oh, gotta get this out of the way. First thing you know, she's gonna start vibrating and get the thing off there, okay. Oh, she's up there. Look at that! Fired it up! That's perfect! Wow! We'll let it charge up for a bit. Awesome! That's been started for a month. About a couple months to a month. No smoke? Oh man, that thing started nice. Wow. We'll have to get some new battery ends too. This is temporary for now. We need another vehicle, 2 vehicles. Only got 1 right now. We got that Chevy. That's all we got to drive right now. Oh, good. We'll let it run for a while then. Awesome. Then I'll put the battery things back on there. See if she's charging here. Oh yeah, it's charging. We'll let her run for a while. Oh, that's awesome. Even that thing's working right. This isn't working though. Uh-oh. But everything else is working. Awesome. Alright, well, I just thought I'd do a video. It's been sitting here dead for about a couple months. That, like I said, the batteries have been bad and haven't been changed much. The ends are bad. I'll put some new battery ends in there. Other than that, she's running good. We'll see more videos of this truck again. Talk to you guys later.